So, cooking pork. I think the best thing that ever happened to pork happened about 10 years ago ish, when it became okay to cook it to 145, which is still like a nice medium. I'm not saying that everybody should do that, but I think that from a quality perspective, it's just a better temperature, a better procedure, a better way to serve quality pork, and a great consistent way to do that is in C-Vap. Whether it's using the Sous Vide program like we did with this product, or mixing it up and doing something a little different. There's always, I feel, somebody. A lot of chefs love to make the machine their own, and as soon as they understand the technology and know exactly what they're doing with it, it's like taking a recipe and making it your own. You're taking that unit and making it your. It's a workhorse. The machine is a workhorse. You can do so much more with it than cook prime rib. And sous vide mode is an additional feature that you can use and conquer it and learn more about how you can integrate it into your program and into your restaurant, and teaching your employees the benefits of using C-Vap. Like we did today, we did a sous vide program, 145. It took about 45 minutes for everything to come up to temperature. And then you can hold that in your whole program indefinitely. My suggestion is no more than 2 to 4 hours, just basically long enough for service. The beauty of it is you already have 145 degree pork. All you have to do is sear it or finish it however you want to, and it decreases your ticket times exponentially. So you're going from something like an 8-ounce chop that's going to take 20 to 25 minutes, and you really don't know what it's going to be on the other side of that, to something where you have a truly consistent product each and every time with a really, really short ticket time. I mean, it's really a no-brainer. And a lot of people are moving towards that. I think people see the benefit of C-Vap and the technology and are integrating that into their programs in the back of the house.